Hello, everybody. GL1 here, and welcome to an even more exciting edition of Toy Talk and Stuff. Well, today we're going to discuss what happened to Rodan. Now, do you all remember episodes 216 and 223 when Godzilla, our friend over here, went through puberty? As you can see here, he's quite grown up with all these spikes and missiles and blades and things like that. You can see that in episode 216. And yes, and then 223, King Kong went through the same process. And, you'd think it would have happened earlier, considering how hairy he is. But King Kong also went through like a double puberty, actually. Quite the maturing aspect to him with missiles and his rockets and his forearms and blades in his shins and armor here and all that. Well, it looks like Rodan has finally grown up, and Rodan is also going through puberty. So, you can see Rodan transform. You can scan that, and but we have Rodan right here, and without the wings. So that's how it comes in the package, without the wings. And then we will slot these in here. There you go. And, Rodan gets kind of a raw deal. He always comes out, he's all angry. He's, a fire-breathing dragon. And what happens really gets made quick work by Godzilla. He's just not really in the same class as everybody else. And, who's going to go through puberty next? King Ghidorah? I mean, wow. So, all right. So here is Rodan in his basic form. And, let's go through and see if we can discover everything that happens to him. All right. All right. So we can, I don't know, these flap up here. And I guess that's maybe armor. And then, all right, we can turn the chest around. All right, there we go. We can look at the picture here to get kind of an idea. It looks like a lot's going to happen in these wings. And, this all pulls apart. That folds down. And then this comes up. And then we have quite sophisticated armor here. And then on the back, and then that snaps back together. Let's see how that, nice and cozy. And it's got some rockets here, and maybe it's a warming jacket, maybe if he's cold, he can warm up. All right, and let's see what happens with the wings. They got those battery-powered jackets, so, you have a lithium battery, and it's got wires through it and warm you up. Milwaukee jacket or something like that, And, all right, and then these all fold out. And then that folds back in. Folds back in, all right. And then we could do the same to the other side. And his little itty-bitty claws. Okay, that moves, all right, that's a hook of some sort. Got that double joint on there. See that? And fold that back. All right. Turn him around, and there he is. Rodan has, I guess these are blades. And then, more blades. And then, all right, some wires, and there's some claws there. The little claw things. And then he's got little, blades here. And do you think this is going to, the legs move a little bit? Do you think this is going to help Rodan against King Kong and Godzilla? I don't think it's going to cut it. I think, really, Rodan should just not bother. Just go somewhere else. I mean, you're going to get hit with an axe, or you're going to get blasted by Godzilla's, breath there, his plasma breath. And let's see what it shows on the box. Yeah, we got it. This is Rodan. This is what he does. and of course I like it. It's more Rodan. Who doesn't want more Rodan in their lives? So here he is, but it's just not going to be enough. So Rodan's going to need a friend in order to take on any one of these two fellas. So maybe it will be King Ghidorah next, and we'll have to see if Titan Tech comes out with that. Well, thanks for watching. Always fun, right? All right, take care, and I will talk to you soon.